Did you know you can coupon over $150 worth of products for just $23 at CVS? Bougie Besties, hey my baby, I'm in the store right now and I'm gonna teach you how. Hi, go ahead and follow me or subscribe to my channel. Like, save, and repost this video and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you. This week, Select Nivea is on a buy two, earn $7 in extra care bucks promotion. I'm gonna pick up one Nivea lotion priced at $7.49. We're gonna use this 1 off 6 CRT. We're gonna use this $3 off manufacturer coupon. I'm gonna pick up one Nivea men's shaving gel priced at $6.29. Clip this 20% off CRT. Okay, besties, next up we're gonna do this CoverGirl deal. They're on promotion. When you buy two, you're gonna earn back $6 in extra care bucks. These CoverGirl loose powders priced at $8.79. One CoverGirl brow pencil priced at $6.29. Clip the following coupons. This 4 off CRT, 3 off 15 CRT, $3 manufacturer coupon for your loose powder, and this $2 coupon for your brow pencils. So our total is gonna be $28.86, but we have $17.25 in coupons, which leaves us to pay $11.61. Now let's go check out. $11.60. Okay, besties, we've earned $13. We're going to use that on transaction number 2. This next deal we're going to be doing is this spend 30, earn $10 in extra care bucks. So I'm going to pick up 2 bins of Game Flings priced at $9.99. Tide fabric rinse priced at $6.99. Generation dish detergent. These are priced at $4.99 this week, but they're also 20% off. Okay, besties, this is exactly what our cart looks like. In your CVS app, clip this $150 for your 7 generation products. This $2 for your fabric rinse. Your coupon 24 app, we're going to be using this 3 off coupon. Again, I have 2 of them. If you don't, you will get this Gain liquid laundry detergent, honey, priced at $9.99. And you will clip this $2 off coupon in your CVS app. Okay, my baby, so our subtotal is $30.96, but we have $9.50 in coupons and $13 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction. Leaves us to pay just $8.46. Now let's go check out. All right, $8.46 plus taxes. Okay, besties, so unfortunately, for some reason, the Tide rinse is not registering at my register underneath the deal. So I would not get that. I went to my cashier and she was nice enough to print off my $10 in extra care bucks. I would have just returned it. They would have given me back my extra care bucks that did distribute to that item, and I would have just picked up something else that has a coupon with it. Do it at your own risk, honey. It's an option that does meet the $30 threshold, and you don't have to worry about the 98% rule. It's $10.47 plus taxes. Okay, besties, I have my $10 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use that on this next transaction. We're going to pick up 2 Dove hand soaps priced at $5.19 a piece. So buy one, get one 50% off. You buy 2, you're going to earn back $4 in extra care bucks. Clip this $1 off coupon. From Crest or Oral-B products again this week. These are priced at $3.99. When you buy 3, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Get toothpaste or mouthwash if you would like. I already did this deal last week. This $5 manufacturer coupon is no longer in my CVS app. I'm going to be using this one from coupon 24. I'm also going to be using this 2 off of 10 CRT. Okay, besties, this is what our cart looks like. Our total is $19.75, $8 in coupons, and $10 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay just $1.75 plus taxes. Now let's go check out. At $175. We've earned $9 in extra care bucks. We're going to use that on our next transaction. Select Lysol and Finish items are on sale. Buy one, get one free. So I'm going to pick up this Lysol priced at $10.49. On promotion, when you buy 2, you're going to earn back $3 in extra care bucks. Because my store only has 1 doggone thing of Lysol wipes, get these Finish pods, $9.99. This will be my free item because it is the cheapest. Babies, this is what our cart looks like. Now, your total would be $20.48, but $1 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, and we're going to get the Finish pods for free, which leaves us to pay $1.49 plus taxes. Now let's go check out. $1.49. Okay, besties, we got $30 in extra care bucks. I'm going to use this on our final transaction where we're going to pay ma'am. We're going to pay $0.00. Okay, besties, next we're going to pick up 2 boxes of General Mills cereal. This week, they're priced at $1.99 a piece. We're going to clip this $1 manufacturer coupon in your CVS app. Okay, my babies, this is all that should be in your doggone cart. Now, your total is going to be $3.98, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. We have $1 in manufacturer coupons and $3 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay $0.00. Period. Now, let's go check out. $10.98 for some cereal is crazy. Oh. Period. You see it. Okay, my babies, before you put your Crocs in sports mode to go score these deals, don't forget to follow me and don't forget to come back and let me know if you score or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.